Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. Today's video is very much important because in this video I'll show you how to make a good resume, because whenever we apply for any kind of job, so in that matter our resume play very important role. And so our resume should look good. Not I'm not talking about fancy resume, I'm talking about very sweet and informative resume. So in this video I'll show you how will you make such a good resume. Okay, so please watch this video till end so that you won't miss any informations related to this video. Okay, but before moving ahead, I request you, if you have visited first time to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that such type of information you get every time. Okay, so let's start the video. So friend, this is a resume and it's a two-page resume. Left hand side is a first page, and on first page right hand side will be your photograph. Make sure it should be in business attire because it looks good and it gives good impression to the interviewer. And left hand side will be your name, your address, your email address and your phone number. Friends, make sure mention your two phone numbers, because sometimes because of network error your phone cannot be in service, or so interviewer can contact you with the another contact number. Okay, so please also share your alternate number in your resume. After that, career objective. Mention your career objective related to the job for which job you are applying. For example, Andrew Pereira applying for airline aviation job. So he has mentioned, I am looking for a job in well-renowned airline where I can utilize my strong interpersonal skills and knowledge. Okay, so in this way you will write your career objective. Okay, after that, mention your work experience. If you have any kind of experience, then mention your work experience, and if you don't have any experience, then don't mention your resume if you are freshers. Okay, after that, education qualification. Mention your qualifications and it should be in descending order from higher education to lower education. For example, Master of Commerce, Bachelor of Commerce, 12th and 10th. In this way you will write your qualifications. Okay, after that, your personal detail, your full name, address, your nationality, your marital status, and if you are applying for a cabin crew job, then mention your height, weight, BMI and your passport number. Okay, after that, mention your hobbies, because hobby is very much important for freshers, because interviewer always ask to freshers on their hobbies. Okay, so they cross question you on your hobbies, so mention your hobbies. And you know your hobbies, so you will speak much about your hobbies. Okay, after that you can mention your achievement. It's my suggestion, please mention your achievements, because it shows your inner quality in which field you are expert. Okay, and then mention your skills, which skills you have, like leadership skills, teamwork, quick learner, adaptability, empathy. After that, mention your language, how many type of language you speak. And above all the informations, after all the information, then write your give your declarations, like I hereby declare that all the above information is correct in best of my knowledge and opinion. And then date, place and your name, signature. Okay, so in this way you will make your resume. And you can see this is very informative, where you have mentioned your achievements, your skills, your language, your hobbies. Okay, so this is a very informative and sweet and simple resume. I hope you like this resume, because I tried my level best to give you this informations. And if you like this video, please like this video and share with your friends, those who don't know how to make a resume, because it will be helpful for them. Okay, So for today it's enough, and we will meet again in new video and with a new topic. Okay, thank you, bye bye.